What can you do about a problem when you are unaware of its existence? Mostly nothing, am I right? But today, I want to make you realize that a problem is persisting in your career. And with each job switch, if you do not rectify this problem, you are complicating the scenario. Hi, I am Nivedita Gupta, your career strategist with over a decade of experience and the founder of Corporate Kaksha. Corporate Kaksha is my brainchild and was born in really tough times of my career. Corporate Kaksha is born to execute the mission of my life, which is to add value to you, help people and enable my circle to transform their career by virtue of my experience-based knowledge and be their HR buddy outside their company. So friends, if you are new to my channel, please share this video to someone who is really needy because I love what I do and seeing people succeed is an ultimate reward and answer to my purpose. Subscribe to Corporate Kaksha because I do extensive research and compile them with my experiences in the form of super packed informational videos that you wished you knew earlier. जिंदगी के हर मोड़ पर हमें एक शिक्षक की ज़रूरत होती है. From schooling till college, we are being taught by a teacher. But when we need the most, we think we are self-sufficient. And we just pick a template and replace the information and create our first ever resume. When we want to validate a legal document and its clauses, we always rely on a legal expert. When we want to get married, we rely on a matchmaker. While we want to design our homes, we consult an interior designer. Most importantly, we depend on beauticians who advises us on shampoos and creams based on our skin texture and hair type. Then when we want to apply for a job where our resumes are to be evaluated by another HR, why we do not consult another HR? Why your resumes are not being prepared or created by a career expert? I can recall a very fresh memory of a panelist rejecting a resume for a simple statement stating, इसको अपना खुद का resume बनाना नहीं आता है. How will he manage his work and his team members? How irresponsible of him to submit a resume with errors. Another recent memory that I recall is of a very senior professional who had applied for a senior manager position. His resume was a real big disappointment. And the reason for it? The reason was that the look of his resume was like that of an amateur. I can go on with such examples, but this video is not aimed at it. With these two of my experiences, it is clear that the resume has to be equipped to do all the talkings on your behalf. But are we all specialists in making a career resume? Now you must be wondering, why do I call it career resume? The purpose of our resume is to act as a carrier. That is to pull you out of your homes to the interview table. And to do so, you need a specialized resume builder skills. Your resume is your own representation. And what is more valuable than you? To me, there is nothing more valuable than oneself. We spend hefty money on our cars, bikes, homes, mobile phones, laptops, etc. But these are all utilities and none of them represent us, do they? We spend 15 years of formal education to lay the foundation of our identity and do nearly nothing towards our formal representation of ourselves. Friends, due to the current market scenario, the competition in the job market is unprecedented and the unemployability is at its peak. The differentiators are the survivors and the risks will be eliminated. Now you are the decision maker. Take charge of your life today. If you wish to procure a career resume for yourself at a price which is cheaper than a pizza, then visit the link in the description box down below and connect with me because your foundation deserves a notch of a differentiation. Thanks for watching this video. If you like my video, please hit that fat like button because that gives me a lot of inspiration. Thanks once again for watching.